Tesla has opened their own diner, restaurant, food place. As you can see, the way to require to go here, you got to put your car on the charger. You can order from your car. But that's not what we're doing today. We're going to actually get in this restaurant. Now, this line is around the block, literally. Let me show y'all. All right, y'all, so apparently it is a full line and people have been waiting out here for hours, but not me. I learned how to finesse. Area upstairs is called the bar. Man, this place kind of dope. You can see, nice little area. But for real, y'all, patience gets you nowhere. Learn how to cut. Oh, look, that's the robot. That's the Tesla robot. That's a lot of stairs. Bro, it'd be so dope if that robot here, bro. Bro, it is. It's a robot. Oh, shit. Bro, the robot is... I wonder... Is anybody getting... That's crazy. I don't know who Soulja Boy is, but I'm the first person to get popcorn from him. Do I hand it to him?